Welcome to this quick Flutter tutorial. Today we'll learn how to automate Flutter Checkbox widgets using Appium and make them accessible using the Semantics widget. Automating checkboxes in Flutter apps with Appium requires a small but crucial step, giving your widget a semantic label. This helps Appium detect and interact with it using the Accessibility ID strategy. Here's a simple checkbox in Flutter. It takes a value and an unchanged callback, but as is, it's not accessible to automation tools like Appium. Add semantic label to the checkbox widget, or wrap the checkbox with a semantics widget and add a label. This label acts as an accessibility identifier that Appium can pick up. Open Appium Inspector and launch your Flutter app. Navigate to the screen with the checkbox. Notice that the semantics label appears as an accessibility ID. You can now locate the element using Accessibility ID and then simulate a tap. And that's how you automate a Flutter checkbox with Appium. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Flutter and testing tutorials. Thanks for watching.